Oh. World 2. Oh no! Ah! Come on, do better. Come on! Okay. We don't care. We're just gonna run. We got this. Can I go down any of these? They let me? No. This one? That one I should. No. Come on. Oh. Oh, I want you. Yeah. Stuck. Shit. Oh no. Oh, this is how you do poorly. Okay. Okay. Who plays World 2 anyways? There we go. You got this. I wish you weren't doing all that, but I don't think I can fix that. Oh no, we're swimming. Okay, alright. Alright, we can swim. Nothing wrong with swimming. You know, just keep swimming. Just keep a swimming. Do, 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 do. No problem that I'm little. I don't mind being little. There's nothing wrong with being little. Oh, that was close. Okay. Do. Okay. Halfway there. We got this. We got this. No problem. No problem. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oh, this is the flying fish. I don't like the flying fish. We're just going to run from the flying fish. I said no. No. Why are they flying? I don't like it. I want my mushroom. Oh, that makes me feel better. I have a mushroom. Okie dokie. We can take on the world with a mushroom. Nobody's going to get us. We have a mushroom. Oh no. I don't like the jumping. I don't like the jumping. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, we got it. That was a really bad jump. Okay, that's easy. Once you got the mushroom, that was nothing. It was a good thing to do. Just had to get the mushroom. Joe. Okay. Okay, this is where I died that one time, I think. Now we got firepower. Ooh, can we keep firepower, and can we like burn Bowser? You guys ever done that? It's cool. We're gonna try and keep the firepower. I mean, that's always gonna be the goal, is to keep the firepower. Okay. We got this. There's no problem. Oh, he doesn't know what's Oh, what happened, Bowser? Oh, poor Bowser. Doobie-doobie-doobie-doo, Oh, another castle. It's always another castle. Well, there we have it. World 2 on a table. You're welcome. Come back and we're going to try World 3. See what happens. Or another game. let's see how it goes. Thanks for sticking around, checking out this video. Catch you next time.